Are you poor? Are you new to Airsoft? Then the M401 pump shotgun is for you.
Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today we're going to review this shitty gun, but it's very good for the price. Okay, so this is the M401 from Double Eagle, and it's very easy to use. Even if you have an IQ lower than 70, you can still use it. Okay, this is the gun, and here's the magazine. This magazine can hold up to 18 rounds. That's not pretty good. You probably need to buy some more magazines. You also have this rail here for sights, if you want to sight on your shotgun. And the safety is right here at the trigger. Just push this little button and then your siblings can't shoot you. It's very good for indoor shooting, if you want to shoot your siblings. You also have the hop-up right here. This gun has about 1 joule in power. It also has 340 FPS, which makes it good for close range combat or indoor games. It's also entirely made of plastic, which makes it very affordable and cheap. Right now you can buy this gun for only 14 euros on Taiwan Gun. But now let's test shoot it. As you can see, the accuracy fucking sucks. This gun is not based on a real gun. It's also spring powered. And you could look very badass if you have two guns. But you're also an idiot because you can't reload very easily. Because it's not like in movies where you just can wiggle the gun and then reload. It's actually so affordable that you can buy two guns for only 28 euros. So if one gun breaks, you can just switch to the other one. Fan ska jag snacka. A tip for someone with a little experience with the gun. If you're shooting at someone who's very far away, you're fucking dumb. You need to sneak up on them because this gun only shoots like 40 meters. You could also have to practice a little bit on your own at your home. And I recommend practice on your neighbors. Now you know everything there is to know about this gun. In the next video, we will review this gun from Double Bell, the AK-47.